Youpi Smart World!
Hello everyone! Today we're going to do a color matching activity with Ghazi. I really love this Montessori inspired activity. The skills involved are hand-eye coordination, visual memory, fine motor skills, and visual tracking. Super fun and you should try it. Let's see how Ghazi enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm Ghazi.
Okay Ghazi, are you ready? Let's go! I want you to start with the color yellow. Excellent job Ghazi. Now let's do the color green. Awesome job! Now let's do the color blue. Finally, let's do the red color.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Youpi Smart World!